Romans 5:19. Through the disobedience of the one man, the many were made sinners. So the Word of God makes it very clear that I sin because by nature I am a sinner and I do that which is natural for me to do.
Waking up with the sunrise, wipe the sleep out my eyes, pack the bowl fat and tight, cause if you know me, I start my day off high. Gotta have my medicine before I hustle or grind. This week keeps me focused as I'm out to get mine, and I guarantee I'm gonna get mine, because I ain't not destined to fail. I've been through my own hell, had a few sips and spills, but oh well. Life goes on, and this world is only for the strong-willed. Can't stop it, can't stand still. Gotta keep making moves, doing what I gotta do to get paid. Hope the Lord get me through the day, okay. Cause the life I live welcomes demons from around the way. So that means I got at least one hater every day, haul up in my Kool-Aid. Get the demons away. I dealt with too many fakes. Straight to my face they tell me I'm great, but behind my back secretly they hate. Cause I live like I'm already paid, doing things my own way. They say I'll be nothing, I say I'm guaranteed to do something. I knock them out for running their mouth, cause there ain't no doubt. I protect mine while I take nine. I keep the Lord by my side, so if I should die, hope I'm lifted upon high. While you're stuck in your hater-rich life, walking around like a nowhere man. I used to be there, man, until I started to give a damn about who I am. And I ain't God's rebel, trying to do good, but the hood be in trouble. Always wrestling with the devil, trying to put me on his level. But I'll never give in, because that's not who I am. And I'll be honest, man, I'm just doing the best that I can. But I gotta kick it up an extra 110. I know I'm able to do it, put my mind to it. Ignore negative thoughts, cause it just keep me lost. And time doesn't move slow, cause before I know, I'll probably be too old. Stuck up in a nursery home or living somewhere on Skid Row. So to that I say, hell no, that ain't me, I know my capabilities. So ain't nothing stopping me unless the Lord bring me to my knees. But until that be, I'ma keep it all about me and fear nothing but G.O.D. And when I'm finally able to get back and breathe, I'ma give it back to my King, the one who created you and me. And Lord forgive me cause I backslid again. Can't keep away from my life of sin. Stuck in the struggle, addicted to the hustle. Apparently I'm just suffering. When will I ever give in and just let you win? When will I ever give in and just let you win? When will I ever just let you in? I'm sorry once again. Sorry.